Christmas frame in a door. I come on like was in swarm. When you love the same people, you love each other. I think that I just need a minute. Got them smiling eyes for miles and miles.
We've been camping for a few weeks now, celebrating the beauty of this simple life. It's funny, we went from an Australian summer straight into an American summer, with so many hot days spent by rivers and appreciating the simplicity of nature. This endless summer is filled with endless soft days, jumping into cold water, foraging for breakfast, or cooking on the fire. We picked these blueberries just down the road, harvesting so many sweet fruit straight from the bushes into our mouths.
Got this feeling running down the street. Someone looking on the steps on St. Leo. Watch the storm. Unless you wanted more, a nightmare like misinformed. When you love the same people, you love each other. I think that I just need a minute to call you out. Got them crocodiles, surprise, surprise, who are you? Think you are.
This simple life on the road has really taught us to relish in the wonder of every moment, to celebrate homegrown blueberries or breakfast cooked on the fire, to find a meadow filled with wildflowers and just enjoy the simplicity of that moment in time, even just for a second.
Have my back. Have I'm in control, very balled up till I'm all consoled. I've been playing salty air so tight. You got chance, you got ketchup in your hair. You did slide salty air. You got chance, you got ketchup in your hair.
So I have all of the ingredients for s'mores, even graham crackers, is that what they are? And chocolate? I don't know. I'm excited to try them for the first time. I've heard so much about them. Julia almost didn't let me get the marshmallows because there were too many ingredients with numbers in them. But it's a special day, I'm trying s'mores. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm excited to see what they taste like. I don't know if you're supposed to cook your marshmallow first or if you're just supposed to put it straight in the little sandwich, but I'm gonna try to cook it first because I think that's gonna be yummier. I don't really know what I'm doing. Alright, so my chocolate is already melted because it's such a hot day. So it's already halfway there. Do I put that on the flames now? Let it melt more? That is so yummy. That's really good. Okay, I'm convinced America wins on camping food. That's the most incredible thing that I've ever tasted.
On top skin, rips off.
And suddenly, our travels are over and we are home again, welcomed back into the rainforest. It's always a weird feeling coming home from a trip. When you're traveling, you sometimes feel like you don't ever want to come home, but then you see the big bright eyes of baby Nymph the goat, or the red cedar's leaves returning with the season. Suddenly, we understand our place here, and we just want to lay in the field all day. Each animal is so cuddly after we don't see them for a while. Each of their little personalities is so different and they all greet us in completely different ways. Nymph is cuddly and jumps on our laps, but her mama moth is a bit grumpy at us for leaving for so long. But she always accidentally reveals her love by sneaking up for a scratch and staring into our eyes. The ducks don't even remember that we ever left, huddling around us and saying hi. And then there's Clover, who is so excited to see us again that he can't even contain himself. Coming back to the farm always means coming back to the responsibilities too, and sometimes this jump back into reality is hard. There are a lot of animals relying on us and a lot of farm work that we are behind on. But cuddling with the animals, we understand why it is that we do all this.
Oh, Moppy. They're like mother and daughter. So cuddly.
Someone looking out the steps on St. Leo. Watch the storm unless you wanted more. A nightmare like misinformed.
So Scout escaped. She always lives at the dam. She is just a wild, chaotic duck that cannot be tamed. Well, she's very tame, but she's just very naughty. And she, I don't know how, went on a massive adventure and was way, way away. And our neighbor called and said that she was waiting at the front of the driveway, so far away, waiting. And I think she got lost and she didn't know how to get home. So me and Mum went to collect her, and now I'm taking her home in the back of the truck. Hey Scout, it's time to go home.
When you love the same people, you love each other.
Where are we going? We're going home. All right, almost home. Almost made it.
Scout is happily home now, cozy and happy, reminding us of the balance of the hard work and the beauty of caring for these sweet animals. Stay tuned for next week's video. We have some really exciting news that we can't wait to tell you. Something really big is happening. The music in this video is by Fellow Hollow, who have a new release that just came out. You can check it out in the links in our description. Thank you so much to our patrons for creating such a supportive community.